So the classes we need are actually our models. So let's create a folder and call it models. And here we can start creating those 6 classes. So the first one will be book. And we just need few properties. So the first one is going to be an integer. It's going to be the ID. The next one is the ISBN, which is going to be a string. And we have the title. So that's another string. And we have the date published, which is going to be the date time property. So that's the book. Next one, we will create the author. And we will have the ID. We will have the first name, so it's gonna be a string. And we will have the last name, which is gonna be another string. So that's author. Next one, we can do reviewer. And I'm just going to copy everything from the author because a reviewer will have the same thing. ID, first name, and last name. And now we have category. So once again, we'll have ID. And we will have a name for the category. And I'm going to copy this because I'm going to create another. And this one's going to be for country. And country 2 will have ID and the name. And finally, we need the review. And this one obviously will have the property of ID, but it will have the headline for the review, so that's a string. It will have the actual review text, so that's another string. And we need a rating for the book that the reviewer leaves, and it's gonna be an integer. And the rating can be from 1 to 5, like 1 star to 5 stars for the book. Alright, so now these classes as they are now have no connection or relationship with any other class. Each of these classes is basically separate class on its own. There is no link between author and the country, or the review and a book, category and a book, and so forth. So let's have a look at how to actually create these connections.